I don't know what I'll say it anyway. Today is another day to find shine away. Be coming for your love, okay? It's no better to be safe than sorry. Take just to play my